Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this section, we're going to walk you through the exact steps to rotate your trailer tires the right way. Let's get started. Signs it's time to rotate. Even with a set schedule, your tires might give you clues when rotations should happen sooner. Keeping an eye out for these signs can save you from bigger problems down the road. Uneven tread wear. Check for high or low spots, cupping, or signs that one side of the tread is disappearing faster than the other. These indicate your tires aren't wearing evenly and need rotation. Changes in handling. Does your trailer feel less stable or harder to control? This can be a sign that uneven wear is affecting balance and steering. Rotate the tires to restore smoother handling. Noticeable tire damage. Cracks, bulges, or oddly worn areas aren't just cosmetic concerns. They signal it's time for both rotation and a closer inspection. Noisy tires. If your tires seem louder than usual while driving, the tread might be wearing irregularly. Rotating them can fix this issue before it progresses. For an easier way to monitor, use a penny or tread gauge to measure tire depth at multiple points on each tire. A sudden difference in measurements can confirm uneven wear and the need for rotation. Staying alert to these indicators ensures your trailer tires remain reliable and safe. While a scheduled rotation is essential, reacting quickly to obvious signs of wear can prevent further damage and save you money in the long run. Step-by-step guide to rotating trailer tires. Rotating your trailer tires may seem like a tedious task, but it's essential for keeping your trailer safe and functioning efficiently. Uneven wear can sneak up on you, causing problems like poor handling, reduced tire life, and even dangerous blowouts. With the right tools, a little know-how, and careful attention to safety, you can handle this maintenance task like a pro. Follow these steps to get it done right. Essential tools you'll need. Before you dive in, make sure you have the proper tools on hand. Having everything ready will save time and ensure the job is done safely and correctly. Here's what you'll need. Torque wrench, for properly tightening lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Jack, a trailer-specific or heavy-duty jack to lift the trailer safely. Chalk or marker, to label and remember tire positions. Safety stands, to secure the trailer while it's lifted and prevent accidents. Work gloves, to protect your hands during the process. Lug wrench or impact wrench, for loosening and tightening lug nuts. Tire pressure gauge, to check tire pressure after installation. Double-check your trailer manual for specific tool recommendations and ensure your equipment can handle the weight of your trailer before you start working. Step 1. Prepare your trailer. Preparation is key to ensuring the process goes smoothly and safely. Take a few minutes to get your trailer ready before lifting it off the ground. Park on a flat, level surface. Make sure your trailer is on firm, stable ground to avoid any shifting while you work. Secure the trailer. Engage the parking brake, if the trailer has one, and use wheel chocks to prevent movement. Place the chocks on the opposite side of the trailer from where you'll lift first. Loosen the lug nuts. Use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on all the tires. Don't completely remove them yet, just enough to make them easier to unscrew once the tires are lifted. Getting these steps right sets the foundation for a safe and efficient rotation process. Step 2. Jacking and removing tires. Once your trailer is prepped, it's time to lift and remove the tires. Safety comes first, so take care and follow these steps closely. Position the jack. Place your jack under the trailer frame near the axle, following the guidelines in your trailer manual. Ensure it's on a stable surface so it won't slip. Lift the trailer. Slowly raise the jack until the tire is off the ground. Lift just high enough to remove the tire. Secure with safety stands. Slide safety stands under the trailer frame and lower the trailer onto them as an added precaution. Never rely on the jack alone to hold the weight. Remove the tires. Fully unscrew the loosened lug nuts and carefully take off the tire. Lay it flat on the ground or against a wall to avoid damage. Repeat these steps for each tire, working one side of the trailer at a time. Step 3. The rotation pattern. Choosing the correct rotation pattern for your trailer is vital for even wear. The pattern depends on whether you have a single axle or tandem axle trailer. Single axle trailers. Rotate the tires in a front to back pattern. The front tire moves to the rear on the same side, and vice versa. Tandem axle trailers. Use an X pattern. The front tires move to the rear on the opposite sides, while the rear tires move forward on the same sides. This helps balance wear across all tires evenly. Why does the pattern matter? Tires on trailers with multiple axles tend to wear differently depending on their position. The front tires bear more stress during braking, while the rear ones may wear faster due to drag. Following the proper rotation pattern distributes this stress, helping all tires last as long as possible. Tip: use chalk or a marker to label each tire's position before and after rotation. This makes it easier to track wear over time. Step 4. Installing and torquing bolts. With the tires swapped, it's time to reinstall them. Proper installation is just as important as the rotation itself. Mount each tire. Place the tire back onto the hub and align it properly with the bolt holes. Thread the lug nuts onto the bolts by hand to keep them steady. Tighten in a star pattern. Use your lug wrench to snug the lug nuts in a crisscross, star-shaped pattern. This ensures the wheel sits evenly on the hub and prevents wobbling. Lower the trailer. Raise the trailer slightly with the jack to remove the safety stands. Then, carefully lower it back onto the ground. Torque the lug nuts. Grab your torque wrench and tighten the nuts to the specifications listed in your trailer manual. Again, work in a star pattern for even pressure. Skipping this step could lead to loose wheels on the road, so don't overlook it. Check tire pressure. Use a pressure gauge to ensure all tires are inflated to the recommended PSI. Adjust as needed before hitting the road. A carefully torqued lug nut and properly inflated tire go a long way in keeping your trailer safe and efficient. By rotating your trailer tires using these steps, you'll improve their longevity, enhance safety, and get the most out of your investment. Tire rotation may feel repetitive, but it's critical maintenance that pays off in reduced wear and repair costs down the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.